Hi students, this is my sixth video on integers. Today topic is identity and inverse properties of integers. In this, additive identity, additive inverse, multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. I will explain with examples. Say first topic, additive identity. What is the meaning of additive identity? If we add 0 to any integer, the result is again integer itself. It means 0 is additive identity. Say a plus 0 equal to a. 0 plus a is also a. There is no change in the result. Again we are getting the result a. So here 0 is called additive identity. I will give examples for this. Suppose 6 plus dash equal to, again we have to get 6. It means what we have to add for 6? We have to add 0. Okay? 6 plus 0, 6. So 0 is additive identity. Dash plus 15 equal to again 15. Here also what we have to add? 0 we have to add. Then only we will get again 15. So 0 is additive identity. Integers means negative numbers are also there. I will take one negative number. Minus 20 plus dash equal to minus 20. So to get again minus 20, here also we have to add 0. Okay. Dash plus minus 35 equal to again minus 35. Here minus 35 plus what we have to add to get again minus 35? Here also we have to add 0. So in all these cases, we are adding 0. There is no change in the integer. Again we are getting same result. So 0 is called additive identity. And remember one thing, in natural numbers, numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. In natural numbers, there is no 0. Okay? Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. In this, 0 is not there. It means for natural numbers, there is no additive identity. 0 is not there. But for whole numbers, we are having 0 inverse numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. It means for all numbers, additive identity is there. In integers also, including whole numbers, negative numbers are also there in that. Okay? Not only whole numbers, including negative numbers, we are saying integers. So in integers, we are having additive identity 0. It exists in that. Okay? Now what is additive inverse? Say, for any integer a, there exists its opposite minus a, such that the sum of the two integers is 0. One integer is a, its opposite is minus a. If we add these two things, we will get the result 0. Integers a and minus a are said to be additive inverse of each other. A is additive inverse of minus a is additive inverse of plus a, like that. So a is any integer, then a plus of minus a. Suppose if we add these two, we will get result 0. For minus a also, if you add a, minus a plus a, again result is 0. Here, these two are inverse integers. So, I will give examples. Suppose 4 is there. 4 plus dash something equal to, we have to get result 0. What do you have to add for 4? Minus 4. Okay? Plus 4 plus minus 4. If you add plus 4 and minus 4, result is 0. It means minus 4 is additive inverse of plus 4. Plus 4 is additive inverse of minus 4. See one more example. Minus 20 plus something equal to result is 0. Here what you have to add? Here also we have to add plus 20. Minus 20 plus 20 result is 0. It means minus 20 is additive inverse of plus 20. 20 is additive inverse of minus 20. Say in natural numbers, negative numbers are not there. It means additive inverse does not exist in natural numbers. In whole numbers also negative numbers are not there. So remember that in whole numbers also additive inverse does not exist. But in integers, not only 0 and positive numbers, there are negative numbers also. So for any positive numbers, you will get negative number as additive inverse. For any negative number, you will get as positive number. It's additive inverse number. Okay? Plus number, additive inverse, negative number. For negative numbers, additive inverse, positive number. Okay? Like that. Students, now I will explain multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. What is the meaning of multiplicative identity? If we multiply any integer by 1, the result is the integer itself. So 1 is called multiplicative identity of the integers. It means suppose a is any integer, multiply by 1, a into 1. What is the result is? Again a. Suppose 1 into a also, result is a. There is no change in the integer. It means 1 is called multiplicative identity. Take some examples. 20 into 1. You will get again 20. Minus 5 into 1. Again result is minus 5. 1 into minus 13. Result is again minus 13. 1 into 26. Result is 26. Means in any example, if you multiply by 1, there is no change in the integer. Again same integer we are getting. So 1 is called multiplicative identity. In natural numbers 1 is there. Okay. In whole numbers also 1 is there. In integers also 1 is there. Means multiplicative identity exists in natural numbers, whole numbers and also integers. Okay. That part is completed. Now come to multiplicative inverse. Two integers are called multiplicative inverse of each other if their product gives the multiplicative identity, that is 1. If you multiply two integers, you have to get the result 1. Then the two integers are said to be mutually multiplicative inverse. For any integer a, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by a. Okay, reciprocal of that. A into 1 by a is 1. Reciprocal of a is 1 by a. Reciprocal of 1 by a is a. See, for all integers except 1, multiplicative inverse does not exist. In integers, that multiplicative inverse is not there. See, suppose 4 into, when you will get 1? Suppose if you multiply by 1 by 4, you will get 1. But in integers, 4 is there, its multiplicative inverse 1 by 4 is not there. It means multiplicative inverse does not exist in integers. Even in natural numbers also, reciprocal number is not there. Suppose 5 is there, its reciprocal 1 by 5, it is multiplicative inverse. You can't observe that in natural numbers, whole numbers and also integers. So suppose 1 is there, 1 into 1 you will get 1. Multiplicative inverse of 1 is again 1 only. So for all integers except 1, that's why we are telling except 1, means for 1 multiplicative inverse is there in integers. For other numbers it is not there. Actually minus 20 into, when you will get answer 1? By minus 20. If you multiply minus 20 by minus 1 by 20, you will get 1. This is there in integers, but its reciprocal is not there. Means multiplicative inverse does not exist in integers. Okay. You have to remember all this. Say a divided by 0 is not defined. A divided by 0 is not defined means division with 0 is not defined. Suppose what is 4 by 0? It is not defined. Not defined means we will write like this, infinity. Okay, we can't say that answer 4 by 0 minus 8 by 0. It is also not defined. Okay, so division with 0 is not defined. A divided by 0 equal to infinity. A divided by 0 equal to infinity. It is not defined. Now what is 0 divided by a? Suppose in the denominator a is there, means any integer, and in the numerator is 0. 0 by, you take any integer a, 0 by a, answer is 0 only. Suppose 0 by 15, answer is 0. Now 0 by 100, it is also answer is 0. Now 0 by minus 36, it is also answer is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Remember that one. But if 0 is in the denominator, it is not defined. Okay. Now what is a divided by a? Integer divided by same integer. The result is 1. A by a. Answer is 1. A cancel. A one time it is cancelled. Okay. Suppose 7 by 7. Answer is 1. Minus 25 by once again minus 25. See, numerator and denominator both are same. You will get the answer 1. 100 by 100. It is also 1, like that. Okay. If numerator and denominator both are same, result is 1. A into 0. If you multiply by 0 any integer, result is 0 only. Okay, so 0 into a also 0. See, 6 into 0, what is the result? 0. Minus 13 into 0, it is also 0. And one more thing, 0 into 0 also 0. Okay, now a into 1, a only. 1 into a also a. So there is no change in the integer. 6 1 ja 6, 15 1 ja 15. 1 into minus 30, like that. So division with 0 is not defined. If 0 is in the denominator, result is not defined. Suppose numerator is 0 and denominator is any integer, 0 by anything is 0 only. A divided by a, 100 by 100, that is 1 only. So multiply with 0, the result is 0 only. So you don't see this number, whatever it may be. If suppose 0 is there, total result will be 0. Now with 1, there is no change in the result. Again, you will get same integer. Okay. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.